Yeah.
Hey, I'm Alana.
How y'all doing? I'm Cortez, and together with a Q&A project. Today we're gonna discuss being in a relationship and not living together. So,
we want to start this conversation now?
yes, we're gonna start
Okay.
this. We're gonna start this now. So, in my opinion, one of the let's say the downfalls of that is, I'm gonna be personal about it. I like to eat, so sometimes when I'm tired and I don't work 12, 15 hours a day, and coming home and like I have to cook the food myself, it's hard, and that's something that gets to me. And it might seem small or minute, but to me that's big because that's like my love language. Food is my love language, so that means something to me.
Wow. You dove right in, huh?
Yes, it's a good time. It's like 10 o'clock.
Well, mind you, this is nothing we discussed beforehand. We have not had this conversation yet. We do not live together. But I can understand how that is something that yes, you like, we both like to eat, and I get that. But when I gotta come home, I gotta cook for myself too.
That is true. But it's just a difference. But it means more to me than it means to you.
Okay.
Like that's not as big. That's not as something as like you like. To me, I feel like for me, it's I would like it to be as like a requirement. Like I love that.
Mm-hmm.
To you, it's just
because I was always the cooker.
So
Now, where I don't have to actually do as much, I don't do it as much. I don't cook as much, and I don't have to because I'm not required to at this time. So, and this may seem like jumping around because actually now I'm talking about stuff and then there's no background to it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, so, just a little background. We've both been married before. We're both divorced. And when I was married, in the past, cooking was something that I felt was a duty of mine, and I always made it a point to cook dinner. I would go to work, come home, take care of the kids, cook dinner, that whole thing. So now, since being divorced and getting myself back together and in tune and aligned with me, it's just some things that I do not do anymore because of, well, I'm not gonna say don't. I still cook, but I don't do that. Don't do that because I do cook, but it's when I feel like it. It's not because it's required. You know what I'm saying? When you're married, that's when you can get the required cooking. Right now,
Well, that's not always true because when I was married, I didn't get the required cooking. It was like, she's laughing now, but I love to eat, so it wasn't like, yeah, I would rather have a home cooked meal. You can fry some bologna and put it on some bread, and I'm happy. Like I don't want to eat out every night and eat fast food, so. Yeah, it doesn't happen to everyone. It doesn't happen to everyone. Everyone's not lucky.
Understandable, because I understand. I know where you came from, so I get it. Yeah. But I do cook for you sometimes.
Yes. When you do cook, I love it. I do. Like it's trust me, I take pictures. But there's I don't know.
Right. So now, other than cooking, because now I'm a person, I need now, fast forward out of a long relationship and all the other stuff like that, I require my space. I require a certain level of just privacy for me because I was in a long relationship since high school until about 3 years ago, 2 years ago. So like I don't 3 years ago. So like I don't I'm in a different space right now. What?
No, I'm listening.
Oh, I'm in a different space right now, and I'm more doing what I feel I need to do for me. I was in a 19, 20-year relationship. That is draining.
And I understand that, and to be completely honest, I'm more half of me understands, and like I get that you do need to heal, to recover, and to continue on and put you first. And then the other half is like, let's buy a big enough house and you can go downstairs and I stay upstairs and there go your space all you want. Like, yeah, matter of fact, we're gonna say that's 60-40. It's like that's all the space you need. Just go in I go in the other room. I go outside. I go in the garage. You want me to leave for the day? I'll leave and come back.
Now, all right, which is true because you're like that. You do you give me whatever I want or require or whatever I feel I need at the time. You do, but there's a certain level of just, I guess, freedom in just knowing that I have my own space. This is the first time I've ever had my own space to myself ever in life. I've always been with that person. So like fast forward, like right now, it's just like I love it. Like I really do. Not so much so that I won't give it up, but right now it's still too new to me and it feels too good. And I like being with you, yes, and then I like the times that we part and you go home or I go home because we still get that space in between. I gotta miss you too, just like you have to miss me.
I do miss you when I walk around the corner and I come back like, damn, I miss her. Let me see what she's doing. Hey, you good? That's all I need. That's all I need. Oh.
You're not gonna give no leeway and you can't see it.
The 40% I truly understand, but honestly, a lot of me is like,
if I said tomorrow, like, you know what, all right, let's just find a big house enough for us and the kids will be gone.
I'm down.
I know you.
I'm already packed.
I know.
We're gonna go finish working on this Q&A project. Y'all be easy.
Thanks for watching.